Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error login process. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do, just click here and then type here network, and now once you're here, just if you are using the internet cable, you will find here internet. Now right click on it and go to properties, and if you are using the Wi-Fi, you will find here Wi-Fi or WLAN, and then just click on it and go to protocol internet version 4 and go to properties. And now once you're here, go to the second one, use the following DNS servers and make it like that, 888844, and that's it. Then enable this one and click OK, and that's it. Now restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, just make sure to close the applications that you don't need here, and I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.